You know the one thing that I've realized in this life? Faith and self-confidence is a superpower. Because when you have that, you don't need nobody. You don't need nobody to dictate what you do, to believe in yourself, because you already have that. So sometimes when people go and actually ask for, advice, bring something to you, and it's not because they don't know. It's because they want to share something with you. Anything. And that is something that I know God has blessed me with. So if you feel like, okay, you don't want to support, I don't need your support. The right people who have been supporting me from day one will continue to support me. And I'm grateful for that. So if you feel like, okay, you're not supporting what I'm doing, you don't need to support. I don't need your support. Because your support is not sincere. You're hypocrite. You're fake. Your support is a hypocrite. You are a fake. People who is real, they will not stop support you because of somebody else's opinion. You're fake. You're hypocrites. Negative energy. I don't want a negative energy. I want positive vibes. It's only positivity here. Okay? So you're fake. This is why you'll be burning. It will be killing you because I will shine. I will shine. Nobody will stop me from shining. It's only God has that power. I've been shining since I know myself on my own. On my own. You know when I say on my own? I have been shining on my own. I have God on my side, and my faith is everything. This is why it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much I don't have. I will always have. Like that. I will always shine. This girl will always shine. Because I was born to shine. You know when they say I'm the chosen one, I am the chosen one, and this is why I wasn't afraid to get my voice heard. This is why I brought change, and I will continue because I'm the chosen one. People are always afraid of the chosen one. The chosen one is always a problem, or because they're always the problem. They're the one who find the solution, but other people will see them as a problem because what? Their positive energy is going to dictate their negative energy. Am I saying it right? Yes. The positive outlook is going to irritate the negativity in some of you. I'm the chosen one, and nobody can touch me because I have God and faith on me. I don't have to go to church, and I don't have to read the Bible every day and say that I have that. I know I have that. And my relationship is between me and this God, the one who has me here, the faith that I believe. My relationship and him is private. What I want to put out public out there, I put, and I have confidence in that. I am very proud of it. I don't see no shame. Who sees shame that I go and I talk about my experience? I talk about something. You see shame in it? The shame is what you're burying inside. Go look at that shame. I don't have shame. It's put out. I don't have shame in that. I have experience. That's my journey to road. And I talk it to enlighten other people. And to free myself and to save my children and my generation. And I am proud of that. And I will not stop. So if you have a problem with that, that is not my problem. This is my journey to walk. This is my pain. When I'm done and I have a broken leg, can you fix my leg? This is my journey. And no one can write my story. No one can tell my story. Because I'm the only person who have feel the pain. And I can't go back. I can't go back. So how you dare you to tell me what to say and what to do from what not? My story is my story, and I will tell it how I please, when I please, and where I please. There's people they just like to see bad about you. Anything good they can't see. They only like to see bad. To feel powerful, to feel good about themselves. To feel good about themselves. Go build yourself. You want to feel good about yourself? Build yourself. Don't try to bring somebody down to feel good. Because that is ridiculous. And people can see. People can see. I have a voice. And I am so proud. I am so proud of myself. I was able to get it heard. And this is something that I will teach to my children. My kids who has suffered from my suffering, that's the past. But that's finished. It's over. It's done. Whatever thing that was gonna pass on to my children, it has been cut. The cord has been cut. They are liberated. The only people that I care about what I do is the people who care about me, about what I'm going through, about how I feel. Do you understand? So when I post something and you all don't like it, the choice is yours. Turn your camera, your phone off. You don't need to watch my videos, or you can post it. The choice is yours. It is a choice. Don't make nobody make you afraid to have your voice heard. Your voice matter. Always remember that. If you're a little girl out there, whosoever you are, you're going through a difficult time, you want to talk about it, don't be afraid to make your voices heard. If you're going whatever sexual SA, any type of abuse, don't be afraid to speak up and set yourself free. Okay? You don't have to do it in the open way as you must talk to somebody. You do it how you want. You have rights. You have rights. You have a right to free yourself in any way you want to. Nobody has that right but you. Because it's your journey. It's your pain. And I've realized how people are so freaking selfish. They are so wicked, selfish, self-centered, because all they think about is their feelings. All they think about is their feelings. How my words is going to affect their feelings. But never one day think about my feelings. Think about somebody else's feelings. How such selfish. The words cannot explain it. But somebody understand me. And I've got my voice heard, and that was the most beautiful thing that I've ever done, because I know a lot of people understand me, and they were right there with me, and I felt good because I'm set free. I have things that still have to work in, because life is a process. Okay, every day we have something that we can work on ourselves, but step by step, day by day, we will reach to that point where we say it was all worth it. It was all worth it.